Hello guys, welcome to PV Pros Learning Hub. So today we will be seeing the Tableau desktop download and the installation. So to download the Tableau desktop, so we need to visit the Tableau page and then we need to download the .exe file and then we'll go for the installation. So I'll be placing the Tableau desktop download link in the description below so you can check that and you can download the Tableau version. Okay, so now I'll be going to the Tableau download link. So I'll copy this and I'll be going to the browser. And then, so in this browser, I have already opened it. Okay, so you can see that I'll be downloading the Tableau Desktop 2020.4 version. So what you can do is, so either you can click on this download Tableau Desktop, or what you can do is you can scroll down and where you can find Tableau download files, so you can see the Windows and the Mac. So this is the .exe file which will help us to install in the Windows operating system, and this is a file which will help us in MacBook. So we'll be downloading this .exe file for since my system is the Windows operating system. So maybe if you have MacBook, you can download this. Okay, so I'll be downloading this. So it will be the size also, it was mentioned here, it is says that 478 MB, so it may take a moment so to download it. Okay, so what we can do is, so I have already downloaded and kept it in my system, so I'll be going there. So this is the version what I have. So what you have to do is like, so you just need to double click on this, so then you will get a pop-up that saying that, so it will be installing. I mean, you can see that it will be installing now. So also what you can do is, the moment the Tableau desktop pop-up will display, so you just need to click on the license agreement, yes, and then you can click on install. So it will be installing your Tableau desktop in your system. So this may take some time. So what you have to do is, so until this green bar will complete towards the end, you should wait. So once this is done, so your installation will be done. The next step is to register to the Tableau. So once you register it, you can go ahead and activate your Tableau key. What it will do is like, so Tableau desktop will slowly open and it will ask for the Tableau registration. Okay, so let's wait to open it. So here if you see, so you can be having three options here. So one is the start trial now and activate with your product key, activate by signing into a server. So what we will do now is, so first I will go with the trial now. So how you can activate the trial, and so why, because so much of the people don't have the key and they have to wait and they have to generate and they need to get it. So until then, so you can make use of this trial version and you can do that. So now first what I'll do is, so I'll activate the trial. Then in the trial version, maybe if you have, then once you get the key how to activate, I'll be showing it. Okay, let's activate the trial. So here what we can do is, so we can I mean, since I was just using it regularly, so it is showing all my names. So what you can do is, so what I'll be giving here is, I'll be giving PV Brothers and PV Brothers. I'll be giving and make sure that all the fields whatever you're seeing here, those are mandatory. You can give student, you can give other and industry, you can give other. So you can mention your city or whatever where you stay and things. I'm just randomly giving this. So I'll be registering it. So the registration is completed. You can click on continue. And if you open Tableau, so if you see this, so this is the trial version what you have here. Okay. So if you go to help and click on manage product keys, so you can see that, so this is a trial version what you have. Okay, so what I'll be doing now is, so since I have the key, so I'll click on activate and I will go with activate with a product key. So I'll be going here, so I have the product key here and I can paste and activate it. So you can see that has been successfully activated, and thanks for choosing tab. You can click on continue and you can see, so it is there for 1 year. So you can see, so today I have activated and it is there for 2022. So this will expire next year. Okay, so thank you. So now you can go and enjoy your visualizations.